Hi guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the Feiyu Pocket 2 gimbal. So, let's get started. I purchased this Feiyutech Pocket 2 on eBay for less than £260. As I open the box, I can see documents, two of which contain QR codes. The other is a quick start guide. In the box, we have a case as well as the gimbal itself. There is also a lanyard. The gimbal itself is made out of aluminium, has a 130 ultra wide angle, breakpoint shooting, weighs only 127 grams, has an external microphone, 4x electric zoom and a built-in loudspeaker. On one side there is a power button, on the other a USB-C port for charging. It can take photographs, but it can also shoot in 4K, 1080p, 2.7K at 60, 50, 48, 30, 25 and 24 frames per second. There are also 4 settings: follow mode, pan mode, all follow mode and recenter mode. The reason for this purchase is simple. I'll be taking this gimbal with me to New York in 8 weeks time, so that I may get fantastic footage. For me, going to New York is a once in a lifetime opportunity, so I want to capture everything. So rather than rely on my iPhone, it would be a nice change to use a separate camera. And with image stabilisation, I can always get the best quality. As you can see in this video, it is incredibly smooth when I move the camera. The quality is also fantastic. This camera is so thin and light that if you are a vlogger, traveller or YouTuber, then this gimbal is perfect for you. I cannot wait to take this with me to New York and see what wondrous sights I can shoot with this camera. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.